The word Gaia stands for our planet Earth as a smart, self-regulating ecosystem. Translating natural intelligence into today's digital world, Gaia-X is a new, fair and evolving open data infrastructure ecosystem. It promotes innovation through access to data and sovereign data sharing based on trust between all involved actors. Rooted in European federalist and democratic traditions, Gaia-X is based on values including openness, fairness, privacy, security and transparency. Industry experts have identified roadblocks in the application of new technologies, like artificial intelligence and smart services, due to a lack of trust in the current landscape of storing, sharing and handling data. Users of cloud services have a variety of concerns after uploading their confidential information. Firstly, they fear losing control over their data. And secondly, they fear becoming stuck with one service provider. The necessary technical mechanisms to exchange data are complex and require extensive efforts in terms of cost, time and skilled staff to implement new service solutions. This makes it especially costly for small and medium-sized enterprises to digitalize their business's processes. What's missing is one widely adopted set of standard rules and the possibility for digital service users to maintain control over their data when moving into the cloud and edge environment. Gaia-X mitigates these concerns by developing a framework whereby actors agree on a single set of guidelines and a common set of values and standards to create trust among providers and users. The foundation of this framework are the Federation services, in short, GXFS. What are its values and goals? Data sovereignty, privacy, confidentiality, security, technology neutrality, interoperability and interconnectivity are the core values of the Gaia-X framework, developed by a community-driven process. Gaia-X creates a fair and competitive environment. So, who can join? Business companies, startups, research institutions, developers? Anyone can join Gaia-X. Participants will be able to inform the community about their products and services, gain certification, exchange data with others, and develop new business models and services together, tapping into previously unused potentials. In other words, Gaia-X provides an openness as a new alternative to traditional proprietary technology. Specifically, this concept of openness translates into two key elements of Gaia-X: open specifications and open source code at its core. Gaia-X ensures this openness through Federation services and a trust ecosystem. But how can this be achieved? By establishing a digital ecosystem where data is made securely available, collated and exchanged in a trustworthy environment, with data owners retaining full sovereignty over their data. Gaia-X does not seek to become a hyperscaler. Instead, Gaia-X taps into Europe's strength and experience with federated approaches. Gaia-X develops the basic software components necessary to set up a federated ecosystem. Gaia-X Federation Services, GXFS, are the toolbox that makes such an ecosystem operational, where individual participants join forces to offer services, share data, and create new business models in a trustable and verified environment. Everyone can apply to become a Gaia-X participant and join as a provider, consumer, or federator in order to connect with others to develop new services and innovative products. This federated data ecosystem fosters innovative, protected data exchange based on the mentioned concept of openness and transparency. In summary, Gaia-X and GXFS help to create trust, maintain control over data, and overcome complex and proprietary technological hurdles, with a fair, community-driven, secure, open data framework that everyone can join. Welcome to the Gaia-X community.